Hello guys, welcome back in a new video. Today we are gonna this another coding episode. So we'll just discuss. Not do anything in this episode, we'll discuss on we we finished Blockly actually. You have learned Blockly. Totally you have seen all my videos. You have learned Blockly totally. Now it's the time we come to JavaScript, HTML, CSS. First, every time, whenever you are learning the coding, the typing one, you have to first learn JavaScript, then JS. I mean, not JavaScript, HTML. Then comes JS. Then comes CSS. Like HTML is the things which you wanna type. All the typing things. What should be on the screen? Like what all should be. CSS is designing like which color it should be, which color should example CSS. See, background color white, border radius 10 pixels solid, so button color blue like this. Then if we come to JS, it's the functions. Like if we click something, what should happen? Like the button, we will create in HTML. We'll put a color to the button in CSS. And in JS, we'll put the function what will happen. Just a second, guys. Yes. So first, let's go to HTML. First, leave all the links. Leave this part and this part and this part. Let's just come. First, every tag should start and end. Like we are starting a HTML tag means we are writing the HTML in it. Then head tag. Head tag means what we'll do in the head. In the head tag we will write everything. Whatever should be in the head it will be visible. Then comes H4. H4 is an area type. Okay. Then we'll just go a little down. Then div. It's a area part. Yeah, it's like it'll be like this is a div. This is a div. Like it'll select everything. Oh my god. Just there's an error. Just created. As you can see, there's a start tag, span, there's an ID to a span, and there's a span tag. Again, it's the same, but we have to add a slash for every single thing except very few commands. There'll be no. You say there'll be no closing tag. Like, why do we have the closing tag? Closing tag is like we can just write and like we can't write which is for what. Like if we write H4 ID player name, then span ID player 2 score, div class container, class is equal to container. Like everything will be like what is what. We won't know that. Like what should be in what. That's why we just divide everything in all parts. Okay, guys? I directly went to code Visual Code Studio. Well, if you are thinking in what I'm doing, I'll just show you. Visual Studio Code. This. Okay, guys, this is the thing. Oops. Yeah. Just pause for a second. It'll be like this. Let's just see. This is the one. So let's put words. So here comes like words. If I type this, it won't happen. ORDS. What happened? OR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi. Oh, I think there's an error. Huh? Let's just open it again. Yes. Let it. Oh. Like immediately that options won't come. Like this. Yes. Go live. Hi, bye. Eh, okay, leave it. You can go inspect and see everything. And go to console. I did not enter the console now. I just put the elements. Like all the code is there. Google inspect. As you can see all the code. Except these things won't be. Like see div. This part is a div. This part. This part was a div. This courier form. This like form starting, form ending. This is a big div. Again this is a div. There's a div. Everywhere div. The whole thing, body. Like you can see all this, the code of Google. You can just delete stuff. Delete. Like HTML start, HTML end. Inspect. It will take a lot of people coding to do something like this. There's a lot of code, right? So many people will do, not only one. Then there's a center. Then a label. Send your word. As you can see here, send your word. Then here, it's red color. Try putting more alphabets. Then end. Then we come to CSS. We'll just discuss this whole. Then here comes output. Background is equal to white. And everything. Now comes to the hardest part. The longest part. JS. Actually, to do activity on JS. Yes. As you can see, JS mostly will create functions. Like functions will be created in both HTML and JS. But what will happen in the function will JS will say. Okay, right. Like if we click next page, it will send us to activity 2 HTML. Oops, there's no thing. Oops, we have to never go like this to in JS. We have to never go. We have to always go to HTML and put. Yeah, update score, save score, next page. Yes, we cannot get. BR. means just a space area. Button, we are creating a button. And the class means what type of button it is. Okay, then the body starts here, the body ends, like everything will be in the body. In the head comes the heading, and what should be the head, like head and head. This all won't be visible, only title H1s. Those will only be. If you want an easier way, here is CodePen. In CodePen, you can do it. It'll be easy actually. You have to just sign up or log in or use the online and just do everything. And here will come your output. If you don't want to download this, just like slash html slash html. Then here comes head. Just a second, guys. So here comes the head. He head. He head. And in head comes title. I title comes the title. Title title. Ending. Now inside the title will come I. It's going to show. Why is it showing? Let's just do it like this one. Hi. I haven't worked in this for a long time. Let's remove the head tag. Will it count? No. Let's just copy this. Copy. Oops. Or else just open the better. Message what? It work. Oh yeah, it's working. But we want it to be title. Let's just see exactly. I don't know why isn't it working. I haven't worked in this for so long, like 1 year. Now there's one more area also where you can do coding. Interactive. Like this is the best, brackets. This is the best. For me. But I'm using visual codes. Next time I just use brackets. It's much easier. But it's not easier, it's harder. Like you won't get options. You have to write everything on yourself. Everything by yourself only you have to do. Like in this, you just create something. Sl- sl- H1, all these will come. Brackets, nothing. It will be a good practice. It will be hard, but a good practice. It will be like this. First, like let me say, how did I come to coding? First, I used code.org, then Thunkable, then CodePen, then brackets, then Visual Studio. Okay, guys. Like you think these all are big. Let me just show you how do you create a thing. Just you have to right click to go to new and folder. I have a great day. Have a great garage. Just change it. Have a garage. Just open that. Yes, I trust the authors. You have to create new file that you have to write HTML .js. Another thing called I forgot what they'll call this. Just a sec. Index.html. Index.html. style style.css. SCS, CSS also, and just S also, and just C also. Have anything. Like if you type them in a wrong order, also same order will come because this is the order. So you saw you have to just come to file, save all. It's an auto save for me, but you people have to save all. Let's just go to like you don't need to type all of this meta name link that you will learn in the next thing. Okay, guys. Okay. Like button will also have a ending tag. Like which BR doesn't have an ending tag. Okay. Okay, guys, as you understood everything. Game login.html. Like I have many things, but you can fit everything in one. Like I have two: game login HTML, game page HTML. You don't need to create all. You can just fit everything in one thing. Okay, guys. Then JS also can fit everything in one thing. Okay, guys. If you are thinking, how did I get this? Just leave it. I know you are excited, but let's learn it in the next class. So if you want more, just subscribe and like and share also. Share it to your friends so that you and he can put a race that who can win, who can create a better app. Uh, you have to practice first is in code dot js html. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you later.